Hey, what's up, folks? Matt here from Screen Print GPT. Now, I'm really excited to share something new I've been teaching myself. So, we've all played or at least heard about me playing with Zapier or Zapier, not quite sure how to say it, and I love Zapier. I've also utilized automations.io. Alex Automations.io is a fantastic human being. But I don't always love that I have to feel like I can't control some things. So, I've been teaching myself how to do more advanced automations, and I'm utilizing a kind of newer software called N8N. I'll go ahead and link that right over here. So N8N is going to be a great way that allows you to do no code automations, or you can also do some coding. Now, the great part about this is they actually have a built-in AI agent, as well as the ability for me to go to ChatGPT and for me to ask questions, and it can spit it out in JSON, JSON, which is a very common way to kind of put together different strings of requests and API calls. So what I want to look at today is this AI agent that I've built. So here we can see we've got this great visual view, and this is actually all broken down into different JSON that we can play with, right? What I have here is I have this. I've got that every 2 days at 10 a.m., I want to trigger this. So it's going to work automatically. This is very agentic, right? Meaning an agent's kind of running on its own. I don't have to do anything at any time. It's going to run every 2 days. It's going to fetch my invoices here. Now, what it's going to do is actually going to read into my Printavo account. I've got a couple different things set up here, and it's going to look for any of my jobs that are in job completed phases, but they still have a dollar amount and the payment due date has passed, right? So it's going to just render those exact status. It's going to help me filter down just to make sure I've got that set up cleanly, right? So from there, I'm going to have that go ahead and put this information into a Google Sheet. Now, this is what JSON looks like, right? I'm able to match in what of these different strings meet different things. So I end up over here at the public URL, days overdue 3, amount due 10/01. Here, I'll zoom in a little bit. Amount due 10/01, 10/01. Payment due date is 7/14. Right? And I can see here, this is the customer's email. It's a fake email, right? Who the customer is, as well as some other information about that right here, right? So with this, I'm now able to pull that, and it actually looks like right here, we might have invoice ID is set up incorrectly. Let's go ahead and fix that bad boy. Let's click that right here, and let's go ahead and just drag and drop. It is that simple. So we can execute the step, and sure enough, we're going to have the revised, and there we go. So now I actually have the invoice ID correct right there. Now from there, I can go ahead and then put an email together, right? So for here, I'm going to go ahead and just make sure I've got that invoice ID correct. So I'm going to go ahead and pull that over. Looks like we've got one extra bracket. Let's get rid of that bracket. There we go. And so here we've got this email. Hi, customer first name. You have an outstanding balance of the amount, balance of blah, blah, that is a past due amount of 3 days, right? This is an automated message that will trigger until the invoice is paid in full. Please process payment at the link public profile URL. So let's go ahead and actually put that in there the full way just to make sure it works. Let me go ahead and get rid of that parentheses too. And I'm just going to go ahead and map that right here to the public profile URL. And there we go. Thank you for your business and your attention to this matter, signed Robots, right? So I can now execute that step, and sure enough, there it goes. I got proof of it. So this is now executing. In other words, every 2 days at 10 a.m., this agent is going to scrape my Printavo account, find any jobs that are in the completed statuses, check to see if they have a past due balance. If they do, they're going to get added to a spreadsheet that I can visibly go look at any time and see who's on that list. And it's going to email them until they're no longer being pulled over from that extraction. So I am chasing payments for all of my term customers and making sure to automatically notify them that I'm still checking on payment. This is huge. This is the future of automations, and this is a fun one to get to play with. So if you'd be interested in learning how to do something like this or more advanced automations, reach out to me, matt@marcotte.inc, or better yet, just go ahead and drop a DM either in the Screen Print GPT Instagram or the marcotte.inc Instagram. Talk to you soon. Cheers.